Hello students, today we are going to study the chapter motion and measurement of distances. Now our topic is types of motion. After seeing the object around us, we usually consider that some of them are moving and some are stationary. When a body or an object changes its position with respect to time, then it is said to be in motion. For example, rotation of the earth around the sun, a running car, hands of the clock, etc. An object is said to be stationary when it does not change its position with time. With reference to any other object, then it is said to be at rest. For example, house, table, clock, etc. Now, types of motion. When we see around us, we experience motion of a vehicle, march past of soldiers, running fan, and motion of bicycle. Different objects show different types of motion, and some of the important types of motion are follows. Number 1, rectilinear motion. If a body moves in a straight line or a straight path without changing its direction of motion, is said to be having rectilinear motion. For example, a car running on a straight road. Other examples are motion of bullet when fired, and when balls rolls on ground, march past of soldiers, etc. Now number 2, circular motion. A body is said to be possess circular motion if it moves around a fixed point, making equal distance from that point at any instance in its motion, and the fixed point is called center of circular motion. Or a body is said to be possesses circular motion if it moves around a circular path. For example, rotation of moon around earth, running of athletes in circular track, bull moving around a fixed pole, etc. Now number 3, rotational motion. Rotational motion means when the body is turning around itself, or when a body moves around its own axis, it is said to be having rotational motion. For example, the electric fan or the clock by themselves are not moving from one place to another, but the blades of the fan rotate, and so do the hands of a clock. For example of rotation of earth around the sun. Number 4, periodic motion. When any body or any motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time is known as periodic motion. Example, the motion of minute hand of our wristwatch, motion of a simple pendulum, revolution of planet around the sun, motion of a swing, a branch of tree moving to and fro, string of guitar and the surface of drums. All this shows periodic motion. For example, bell of school. It is also rings at regular intervals of time. So periodic motion repeats itself after regular interval of time. Now, some of the object possesses more than one type of motion. Some examples are given below. For example, we observe that sieving machine remains at the same location while its wheel moves with a circular motion, and it also has a needle that moves up and down continuously as long as the wheel rotates. This needle is undergoing a periodic motion. Periodic motion is also known as oscillatory motion. Thank you.